Good morning, team. Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back. On today's episode, now I am currently carrying down some blocks as the roadway or access is not yet suitable for trucks and lorries or anything like that to go down there. Therefore, access is a problem right now. So we have to move blocks from up here, go down there. Currently, I use my van, and so far, I move 150 blocks. I carry about 30 per load. My van not squat or nothing like that, it's just to reverse down there, so it's awful, but we come up easy. And yeah, the guys are lay some 8-inch on the second story for the center wall and also the back wall, and we just make sure they're close enough so they can just come across without any complaints. Blocks them I just carry down terrain. As you can see, since today we cast with the wheel this in terms of how the block works. Let us just finish this up, call it a day. Yeah? It's good, right?
No way, Jose.
Let's do it. Yes, sir. Hey, you ready for that, bro? Okay. About to have fun with this shit. Came on. Okay. Let's do it. Yeah.
Really having paper, ballin' like a Laker. Car so loud, money talk skyscraper. I'm my own boss, fuck I look like do some labor. Check me please, somebody go get the weight.
That's it for now. Now make a reverse down this I go unload. Whew, breathe hard. Good morning again, team. What are you guys doing? But today has been a busy day. We start my day early as of the last 2 weeks, like very early. This morning we actually got to Mandeville and come down back, finish the door. Me do a Mandeville now. Me do something Spanish Town, and then I think I have to spend the day down here so because of curfew. So yeah, we're working island wide. So the rain is falling right now, and for reasons I can't really show no what me up to or what me I do. As I said, I just mainly focus on the two sides then, but we're all over the place. Now see what that guy has say. Actually I drive behind him right now. I try to find the location, and then yeah, we out here. So guys, we are still out shopping and we are at our house for today. I'm gonna show you. I don't really have much information on this house as we speak. However, we are looking on it. It's going for $35 million, and you guys tell me if that is a reasonable price of this house based on how it looks. So the realtor actually wait for me right now. Them a call. We are going to take a quick look. Enjoy the vlog, guys. So guys, for this vlog I'll be wearing my mask, so don't mind. So this is the house. Hold on, I'm going to introduce myself.
Hold on.
So, good day, good day. I'm with me.
Currently.
Okay. Alright, no problem.
Okay.
Alright, so. Some other people they hear a view and they never quite sure who that gate. Actually that look like a owner or something. And I guess I can sense in our energy while I go she never like my energy. So I go sometimes. Sometimes I do that on purpose just for my own little reasons, you know. There's a blue and white police station with it basically. I don't know, then get the blue and white team. Yeah. Hello. This is storage here.
Storage here, it has a generator that automatically turns on and the power goes off.
Okay. Got like some elder people there here, man, we have time. Them have time. Yeah, I don't look too bad. I don't look to this a cherry tree. I think this is a no. My toad full. This is a lime tree. Lime thing. It has a two car garage. Big little space on our back. Big space on our back. I cannot say big little space on our back. But yard man they get what I say. And this is a coop. Don't know for what. This look like for a pigeon, bird, something like that. And so again another big little space, you see me? Yard space big, me can't tell you that. It's big, but this more looks like a home. You know what I mean? I don't really look a home. And then this is beef and manga. I guess as one of guys I already know, I don't really know manga like that. And East Indian Julie, come on man, do better than that, that's Sean. So it fence right through. Light up place. Yep. Yeah.
Oh, the ants are there eating already. Alright. So that's a sign.
Okay.
So that is the veranda. This is the living room space. People don't actually live here, so they want to show every little thing, and a woman on the right there, so she's miserable as hell. Okay.
To your right is the master bedroom.
To the right down.
This is bedroom number 1. And bathroom number 1, but inside of there so foul.
You see,
See my girl show them.
all the mechanics tool going on.
Alright, let me look at this. Bedroom number 2. Reasonable size. See if I can stomach for going out of the bathroom. At least show a team. Bathroom. Woman, I say, your shoes look dirty. I would rather you would not. I say, bitch, please. So this is the master.
Don't complain about the size of this closet either.
Oh, this is the closet.
They're selling the furniture. They're going back to England. Everything. No, separately.
Boy, they're not spend no money upon inside of that was a car.
Solar hot water heater.
So dining and kitchen. So this is a recirculating range hood above the range.
You're listening to 4FM 91.7
Laundry room. And this is the garage. 2-car garage. So number 1, I never know the size of this unit. 3-bedroom is way too small. It like a minimum. I mean, I really want to go a minimum, but the yard nice, the space nice. It always look like integrity up there. But now life of the owner, I'm not buy the house here. I wouldn't even consider it. So when the farm bomb, we're gonna sit down and talk about it like a bit. As I said, this is a quick look of video, just a quick look of tour, and but even want to get any more in depth in that house here. I kind of not like your energy here, so on to the next one.